I think the much awaited festival period is round the corner, and Goa, which is known for the tourists and happens to be one of the most sought after tourist destinations in the country, attracts a lot of tourists, especially during this period. And we thought there's no better time to get associated with the Department of Tourism and do something engaging for our customers. And that's where we are here today with Goa Tourism. And Max, which happens to be one of the favorite brands of Goa. We have 3 stores already operational in Goa, and the 4th one we would be launching soon. And I think it is the love which Goa has given us, and which is giving us a lot of confidence to expand our business in Goa. Max, which is known for amazing styles, the extremely amazing prices, and a brand which is known for fashion, brand which is being loved by the entire family. So it's a one-stop shopping destination for the entire family, wherein there is something available for everyone in the family, catering to kids wear, menswear, ladies wear, footwear, accessories, jewelry, fashion jewelry, handbags for the entire family. And we would like to thank Goa for the amazing response which Goa has given us.
Of Goa Tourism, I extend best wishes to this crepe and star making competition, and we are also thankful to the Max for associating with GTDC for this star and crepe making competition. I am hopeful, as you all know, that Christmas is the celebration time in Goa, and this competition will be most successful, and there will be great finale will be also happening. I extend my best wishes to the organizers.
The Christmas and New Year festival has already begun, and Goa, being one of the most sought after place in the country to witness the Christmas and New Year celebration, is a time where across the country a lot of tourists will travel to Goa. And we thought that there can't be a better opportunity to participate and align with Goa Tourism. And we have a contest starting in our stores soon. We are present in 3 convenient locations in Goa: Porvorim, Vasco and Madgaon. And this event is available in all the 3 stores. The name of the activity is All Crepe and Star Making Competition. It's a very simple 2-step process where customers have to enroll themselves, and once the enrollment is done, the images of crepes and the star can be posted or sent through WhatsApp or email, and we will have, once the contest is over, we will have judges deciding on the winner, and winner will take away the exciting prizes. So this is an activity wherein we are trying to be the part of the celebration, engaging our customers, at the same time having exciting range and gifts available for our customers in store to celebrate Christmas and New Year.